This is Grace the nurse. I hope you all are doing well during the quarantine period. For me, this is quarantine week number 3. I'm just hanging out in my backyard, definitely practicing social distancing. See, no one's around except birds. I don't know if they count. So I just wanted to address some of the COVID-19 myths that I've been hearing about and reading. One of them says apparently if you gargle or hold hot water or warm water in your mouth and then swallow it and do that every hour, that can help prevent COVID-19. I can tell you no, that will not prevent it. I don't know how someone even thought of that, but that is incorrect. That is a myth. So honestly, the best way is practice social distancing, stay at least 6 feet from people, wash your hands often with soap and water or hand sanitizer, and yeah, stay inside. So anyway, tune in tomorrow for another COVID-19 myth that I'm gonna discuss, and I hope you all are doing well, and see you tomorrow. Bye.